Hey gang, it's chestnut season, and today we're going to talk about how to turn this into this. Let's go. Okay, I've got a pair of kitchen shears here, and chestnuts usually have a flat side and a round side. For this method, you're going to want to cut into that round side. Just 2 snips across the top, watch your fingers, and there you go. Just a little X shape, just like that. And today we're using the Ninja air fryer, but this method can be used across a variety of air fryers. And you're going to set the temperature to 370 degrees for about 3 to 4 minutes. And as you can see, that hard outer shell is already starting to peel off. I'm wearing protective gloves here because these can be pretty hot at this point. And they just peel right off. But for anybody who's ever peeled chestnuts before, you know that that second thin layer is the hardest part to get off. So this method essentially fries that. So we're gonna put it in again for about 4 minutes this time, same temperature. And this is gonna crisp that second layer up. And we just apply a little bit of pressure and it disintegrates. It comes right off. At this point, these chestnuts are still pretty raw. I use this for my stuffing at this point. But if you want to roast them further for a snack, just put them in a bowl with a little olive oil, a little bit of salt, mix it up, and back into the air fryer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Still the same temperature. And there you go, whole shelled chestnuts without the finger pain. Enjoy!